water, appearing from more than the Ghana. She spit in her bosom, hey. She pull out her ice cream like she want to take her. It's a lesson